It's splash, splash, little boat floating down the stream.
Here's sunny sky and fluffy clouds, everything's a dream.
It's splash, splash, little boat, don't go very fast.
If you race the ducky boat, you might come in last. Quack, quack, ooh, quack, quack, ooh.
Quack, quack, little duck was paddling slow, having lots of fun.
Blind Leo shouted happily,
Let's race everyone!
Splash, splash, little boat, moving left and right.
rainbow shining overhead, what a lovely sight.
Oink! Frog
Jumped in the water.
splash, splash, splash.
Splash, splash, splash. Cool fish swam underneath.
Flash, flash, flash.
Blind Leo laughed and waved hello to every friend he saw. A boat kept gently floating by.
Everyone said, "Aww."
Ending splash, splash, little boat, time to head back home.
Thanks for joining Leo today, tomorrow we will roam.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Bring, see you soon. Goodbye.
ABC train is on the way. Come and learn with us today. Choo choo choo, let's all sing. Learning letters is a fun thing. It sounds choo choo. Valley up until I floating above a train. Shiny apple spinning slow. Leo points excitedly. Amazing! R for apple, red and sweet. Tasty little fruity treat. Wow! 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 Apple. Hello, Leo.
B for Bronco.
Jetty and blue letter B. Colorful ball bouncing around train. J, blue letter B. Colorful ball bouncing around train.
B for ball, bounce so high, jumping nearly to the sky.
Catch the ball.
Boing, boing, boing.
C for cat, live
Video from
cute orange kitten sitting on train wagon, giant yellow sea. Floating C for cat. Meow, 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 cute and fluffy friend right now. What? Meow! Friendly puppy wagging tail on colorful horn. So big low.
Playing on the train roof. Good dog.
Woof! Amazing!
E for elephant, big and strong.
Swinging its tail all day long. So big, yay! Elephant trumpet. F for fish. Swim, 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 splashing in the water. Look at the amazing splash. G for giraffe, neck so tall, looking over trees and all. Amazing! Hello! H for horses, gallop fast, fleeing through the fields at last. Let's race, neigh! I for ice cream, slurring fast. Amazing! I for ice cream, cold and sweet. Yummy, yummy summer treat.
Pretty.
Yummy! J for juice.
J for juice.
Sip, sip, sip.
Take a tasty little sip.
Delicious! brave. Loudest roar he proudly gave. And for monkey jump and play, singing through the trees all day. And for monkey jump and play, swinging through the trees all day. And for nests safe and small, home for little birds and all. Oh, for orange dot, oh, for orange round and brown.
Amazing!
Pink fruit and tasty ants. And for sun shining high, lighting up the happy sky. Choo, 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 let's all scoot. See you soon for another show. Airborne train, choo, 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 taking all our friends with you. U for umbrella, open wide, keeping us all safe inside. B for van, blowing gas on the busy roads it passed. K for umbrella, oh big and blue, splashing in the ocean too. S for steady, brand, ding, 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 listen to the songs we sing. Y for yacht, sailing free, floating gently on the sea. Z for zebra, black and white, running fast with all its might. I take we've learned today, singing, laughing all the way. Choo choo train, it's time to go. Hello friends, come and play. Let's learn feelings today. Sometimes happy, sometimes sad. Every feeling can be had. Lay choo choo, lay choo choo. Happy, happy, clap your hands. Happy, happy, dance and dance. Happy, happy, dance and dance. Sometimes sadness comes our way, then it slowly goes away. When I'm angry, stop and breathe, then I feel calm underneath. Excited, excited, act scary, excited, jump up high. Wave your hands up to the sky. Wave your hands up to the sky. Happy, sad, angry too. Every feeling helps us grow. Talk and share what you feel. That's the way to help you heal.
Amazing!
Goodbye, friends. See you soon. We'll be back with another tune. Choo choo, choo choo. Happy, happy, dance and dance.